So hello everybody again here in this webinar, special webinar today because we are talking about a special technique that Gary Young developed in few years ago. It's called the Raindrop Technique. This is an amazing technique. So we are talking about this today. This is the kit that you have, that every family in the world have to have a kit at home, and someone who can do it and teach to the others also, okay? Because everybody can benefit about this, okay? This is an amazing technique, the raindrop technique. So I will share with you presentation, but first of all, it's very important to know that when you use essential oils and this technique, we have to forget that we are doctors, okay? We are not doctors, we are not therapists, we are just people that want to use essential oils, okay? So in no moment we can share a medical consultation with this. It's very important to know, okay? If you need more about diagnosis, then you can ask the doctor of the person, okay? But if not, you just apply essential oil. You have to know the benefits of this, and it's all, okay? But we don't say to the people any benefits you will get, okay? We know that, but we are not allowed to do it and to say it because we just apply essential oil, okay? So I will share with you then in this presentation. It's very important you to know what we are going to say to the people. It's very important. Okay, so as I told you, the raindrop technique, it's a technique that Gary Young developed, and in no case we intend to substitute any medical consultation when you do this diagnosis, or if you want to change any conventional medicine. No, we don't do diagnosis, we don't treat or cure any disease, okay? So we have to be clear before to start and use this essential oil, okay? So then everybody can experience the benefits according to your body and emotion, because everybody is different, okay? So you can also react differently, okay? We are talking later about this. So we do not allow ourselves to advance any kind of results since each body is different. So then please, if you have doubts, you consult your doctor if you need diagnosis. And if you doubt to anything important, then don't do it. So ask before, okay? We have enough people around us who knows a lot about essential oil and a lot about raindrop technique. So then you can ask the people who invite you to this webinar, and if they don't have answer, then they ask me, and then I will give you the answer. So I will be with you all the time to accompany you in this new lifestyle, because raindrop technique is a lifestyle that everybody has to have at home, okay? So this is very important before to start to understand that how to do it, how to react. Okay, so, and of course, Gary Young developed this technique because he spent a lot of time with the Lakota Indians, and he learned a beautiful technique and from them. And then when he come back, he adapts to this technique essential oils and also technique of massage that he called this Effleurage. It's a French name. Effleurage means feathering, okay, with like a feeding, okay, like feathering. So you will see many pictures about how to do it. So everybody knows Gary Young is the foremost authorities on the essential oils in the world. Okay, he developed that a long time ago. He spent all his life to essential oil and to spread the world and to share all his knowledge to everybody. That's because the Gary Young path is that every family in the world has to have essential oil at home. Okay, and also if one person in the family can learn this raindrop technique, so all the family can benefit about this. Okay, and now you can learn a raindrop everybody in the world, because there is a lot of people in Young Living that teach raindrop all over the world. So it's very easy to found and to learn it. Okay, so you have just to ask the people who invite you. So then thank you, Gary Young, again, because this is a wonderful technique and you can do a lot of things with that. So I'm natural doctor, so I can tell you all the benefits about this. And it's amazing. It's amazing. So the story is that a long time ago, the Lakota Indians, they migrate to the north, okay, to observe and see the northern lights. Okay, this was the first thing. The Indians, they migrate, and they believe that these lights, they were plenty of healing energy. So then they breathe deeply with the arms in the air. They breathe this energy, these lights, and this energy, and they bring through the head all along the spine, and where the people needed to be treated. Okay, this was really the first moment that the Indians, they discovered these northern lights with these healing energies. Okay, so because the border were close, so with the United States and Canada, so the Indians, the Lakota Indians, they cannot migrate anymore to the north. So then they replaced the exposure of the northern lines by using this effleurage, this feathering technique. Okay, imagination that the energy of healing, they are coming through the brain, through the arms, and then they send it to the body, to the recipients. Okay, so this effleurage, it means, that it's a French word that means lightly touching or rubbing, is with the finger taps and the nails. We do like feathering, you know, like a feather. You know, you do such movements in the spine. You will see later. Okay. So this technique, with coupled with the mental process of energy, okay, this was used to distribute the healing energy through the body. It was like this that Gary Young learned about the Lakota Indians. Then he comes back and he says, "Oh my God, to this technique, I have to use also my essential oil with that." So then he developed a technique completely with 9 essential oils, and he coupled this with the reflex zone of your feet. So and it was amazing technique, because you work on the reflex zone of your spine in your feet. Okay, and then you will directly act on the spine. You will see later. So then what is the benefits of the raindrop? It's a unique practice, and these are the 3 important things to know. The raindrop technique helps you to rejuvenate the body and mind. You will see after the 9 essential oils, they are effect to everything in your body. So then you rejuvenate the body and mind, and you can balance an harmony, mental, physical, and emotional body. So it's I cannot tell you that like this, because you have to feel it. You have to feel it, and so you have to learn it and try it, because it's amazing the effects of the relaxing body and emotional balance. Remember that here in your nose you have 8 million of olfactic receptors. They are connecting with your limbic system, with all the emotions. So when you are rubbing the essential oils in the body, at the same time you are doing the raindrop technique, you are inhalating also the aroma of these oils. What I say always to all my students, that at the same time you are treating, you are also treating yourself, because you are inhalating and touching these essential oils. So it's also for you, okay? So, and then you create an atmosphere of spirituality and serenity, because when you will do it, you will feel after a raindrop technique, you are completely relaxed, because all your muscles, joints, mental, emotional, everything is relaxing, everything is balanced, it's in harmony, everything is in harmony. It's an amazing technique. So, who can benefit the raindrop technique? Everybody can benefit the raindrop technique. Children may benefit from the raindrop technique, but pay attention, you have to dilute the oils properly. So remember, as I told you before in the other webinars, 1 drop of essential oils and 1 drop of V6, okay, or base oil like almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, okay, sesame oil, okay. It's very important to dilute, never put pure, okay. Normally you can consult the essential oil desk reference. It's a book that you can get it, and everything is explained how to do it correctly, okay, properly. And normally we use it pure for the adults, and we have to look about the discomfort in the skin, and we'll talk this later, okay. So you can use also the raindrop technique on horses, dogs, and other pets. Here, the same thing. We have to dilute properly essential oils, so we have all the references, all the books about the animals, how to use essential oil for that. One thing very important, because we are working on the reflex zone of the spine, and you will see later pictures about where you put the oils and where you are doing effleurage and massage. It's along the spine, because the medical research, they found that all along the spine you can get bacteria and viruses that can provoke a contraction of your muscles, okay? Pain, contraction, and all these oils that we are looking now, they are antivirus, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, muscle relaxants, refreshing. So what we are doing with essential oil, not just put essential oil on the skin, we are cleaning all around the spine, all kind of viruses, bacteria, I can say that, okay? You know, very important to know that, okay? So we are cleaning the body, purifying, and you will feel completely relaxed and balanced all along the spine, okay? So there are possible reasons to avoid this Raindrop technique, because these oils, they are pure and they are very, very specific. So then pregnant ladies, women, and lactating women. These are the two important things to avoid this Raindrop technique. Till now, we have no specific against indication, you know, because there were no problem at all. It's always too possible. Okay, so then in this case that we don't know, we prefer don't do it, because essential oil, they are going in through the skin into the bloodstream. So the fetus, he don't need any essential oil. And if you are lactating, by effective trophic, the essential oil, they go into the milk and then into the baby. So the baby, they don't need essential oil at all. So then this lady, these mamas, they can wait, okay, till you feel to feed your baby, and then you can do it properly, okay? So pay attention on reaction to oils. So you have to be very careful when you put oils, always asking your recipient if everything is okay. If they feel any skin discomfort, then we can dilute directly with a V6 or a base oil, okay? And then you will see in a few seconds the discomfort disappear, okay? Fantastic. So, important notes. Everyone will experience the raindrop technique differently, because everybody is unique and different, okay? So you may experience fatigue, and they will feel more relaxed after. The other people, they feel an increasing of energy. Oh my God, I feel good, I feel well, I want, okay? And sometimes you can get emotional release, okay? Because with a certain essential oil, you will open your emotional levels. If they are blocked, you will open it. And if you open the emotional level, so you can experience sadness, you can cry, you can have a lot of reactions. So you have to be ready on that, okay? You have to be near your recipient. If you feel something special, then you stop it, okay? You have to get always a glass of water with a drop of peppermint and orange inside, so you can give to your recipient before or after or during, if you feel that your recipient is not feeling very well at the beginning, because you are opening the emotional levels. So then you have to be near, okay? So be sure to always provide a safe and supportive space for every experience, okay? It's very important. So how we do that? With 9 essential oil. 9 essential oil. As you can see here, in this box, you have 9 essential oils. You have V6. V6 is with this that you will dilute if you feel any skin discomfort, okay? And Ortho is, it's a massage oil, also with some essential oil inside. You can use it at the end of the raindrop to make a gentle, relaxed massage with Ortho Ease. And you can use it every day also at home to do it, to feel more relaxed and comfortable after a during day of work or stress, okay? So then now we are looking about every essential oil. White Angelica is not on the kit. It's coming separately. But it's very important that I talk about White Angelica, because it's a calming and shooting blend. and gives feelings of protection of negative energies. So before to start, when you receive a recipient, you don't know which kind of energy is bringing to your room. So then to protect yourself against this negative energy, you put just white angelica, okay? You rub 3 times in a clockwise, very gentle. You breathe in 4 times, very deeply, and then you put the rest on your neck and shoulders, okay? So this white angelica is protecting you against negative energy. So you can buy it separately. It's very important to get it. And when you finish the raindrop technique, that you have clean your recipient with all this fantastic essential oil, you will do the same to your recipient. Okay, we are looking this at the end. You make the recipient breathing 4 times white angelica, and then the rest you put on the recipient's shoulders and neck, and then the recipient is also protected against the negative energies. Okay, so the first oil that we use in the raindrop technique is Valor. Valor 2, it's a blend, and it helps to open and release the emotional blocks. Gary Young said that in every Valor bottle, there is an osteopath inside, or chiropractor, because you are rebalancing, okay, the straight of your spine. It's amazing. And when I was learning this in Croatia, when I was coming back home, you know, I have to try. You know, they can tell me a lot of things, but I am a researcher, so I have to try myself and also to my patients. Okay, so so it was a young lady, 15 years old, and she has a lumbar scoliosis of 26 degrees. Amazing, so young and a big scoliosis like this. Okay, I'm doctor in osteopathy. I was doing my manipulation, and I asked the mother if I can put Valor 2 on the spine of this lady. That can help. And she said, okay, yes, fantastic. So I will put only Valor, only Valor. I have done my osteopathy session and Valor 2. 1 month later, she comes back to see me, and the scoliosis was 9 degrees. The doctors cannot believe what happened, because she has not corset, she has nothing, just Valor and 1 session of osteopathy. So it was amazing. And then I asked this lady to be my model in one of my sessions, that course that I give here in Spain. And after a complete raindrop technique, 1 month later, she comes back to tell me that the scoliosis now is less than 5 degrees, and there is nothing more to do, because now the spine is completely straight. And the doctor, they cannot believe that only with essential oil you can do that. Okay, so you can do that, okay, because I test myself with my patients. Okay, so, and Valor 2 also elevates the mind and can help to increase feelings of joy. It's empowering you, giving the joyness, okay, and to release the emotional blocks. Valor 2, the first essential oil that we use in the raindrop. Then we have oregano. Everybody use oregano when you're cooking at home, okay? So oregano is an amazing essential oil that balances the metabolism and give vitality to your body. And I can say that it's antibiotic, antivirus oregano that we use in other things also, but we put this in the raindrop technique. Thyme. You use also thyme every time when you're cooking. Thyme is also, for me, is the most powerful antibiotic, antivirus in the nature, okay, that you can find. And it reduces the effects of fatigue and stress and give energy to your body, okay? And thyme, everybody use thyme when you're cooking. So later I will tell you, I can tell you right now, because when I'm cooking, I'm using this essential oil. Because instead, if I don't find the natural thyme, I have my essential, one drop of essential oil of thyme in my plate. It's an amazing aroma that you can spread in all your dishes, okay? Like oregano, and then you will see the next one. The next one, basil. Also, you use it every day when you're cooking. And basil is also neo-relaxant. You relax your muscles and you reduce the mental fatigue, okay? So basil also we use every day. And this is an amazing essential oil, Cypress. You know why in the cemeteries there is a lot of cypress there? You know that it's only to make beautiful the garden around the cemeteries? No, because the aroma, so then the Greeks, okay, and person, they use it to put in the cemetery because you work with the emotion of the sadness. So you help the people in the cemetery um, to overflowing this emotion of sadness, okay? So it helps to the people to feel better in these special moments, okay? It's very important. And also it's a good friend of children when they feel so excited and you make them to inhalate a little bit cypress, then they calm and they give them serenity, okay? It's a good friend of children, cypress, and to work the sadness. So you can imagine that you are putting all these oils in the recipient body and you can smell also this aroma. You are balancing also your emotions inside of you. So at the same time you treat yourself. It's amazing, huh? So wintergreen. You know that the Indians in America, they chew the leaves of wintergreen when they have to do arduous work, okay? So then it increases the resistance of the body. When you have to do a lot of work that you know that you have to do. So you put wintergreen in your muscles and you can inhalate wintergreen, okay? And sometimes you can dilute one drop of wintergreen in a juice on rice milk, and it gives you strength, okay? It's very important. Wintergreen to increase the resistance of the body in arduous work. Marjoram. Marjoram is a plant that you have in your garden, okay? The marjoram is also to release and relax the body because it's a relaxant of your muscles, okay? Very important. Also, marjoram is calming. Marjoram is a calming, it's a calming essential oil. Aroma seeds. Aroma seeds is a special blend. In aroma seeds, you have also Gaultheria, you have also lavender inside. So you have, it's a special blend to help the body to relax, to remain calm, and also to release when you have so contraction in your muscles, okay? I help a lot of sportive people with aroma seeds. I tell them, for you, you have to get 2 essential oils in your pocket, okay? It's aroma seeds and pain away. Because with these 2 blends, you can help the sportive people to relax a muscle that you have work or you have pain, okay? So aroma seeds, it's also for that. If you feel pain or some contraction in your muscle, okay, you can put it directly on your skin but we put all around the spine. So you can imagine after this massage how relaxed you will feel. It's amazing. And peppermint. Peppermint, I told last time that peppermint is for me, is the most complete essential oil, okay? Because you can do thousands of things with that. It's refreshing, it's anti-inflammatory. So you can use it to elevate your mind. You know that the frequency of peppermint is 78 megahertz. If you feel down in the morning, when you wake up, you can smell peppermint and you can drink it also, okay? And we use it to put in your spine too. So you can imagine how your spine will feel with also peppermint. It clears and refreshes mind and back, okay? And we use it, peppermint, at the end. When we finish to put all the essential oil, we put peppermint because peppermint accelerates and helps and push the other essential oils more deep in your body. That's because we use it at the end, okay? So, and in the kit, okay, you can get Ortho Ease. Ortho Ease, it's a massage oil that combines, you can see here, wintergreen, eucalyptus globulus, radiata, thyme, juniper, mint, marjoram, and vetiver, okay? It's a very fantastic mixture that you can use it to do a massage, a simple massage. If you don't have time to do a complete raindrop technique, so you can use it to help yourself and to help the other people to get a relaxing massage. We can use it at the end of the raindrop technique, that we make a relaxing massage about 5-10 minutes after the raindrop. We can do it with Ortho Ease, okay? And you can help to create feelings and relaxation and renewal of your body, okay? It's in the kit. And V6, okay, we use it to dilute some of the essential oil when the people they feel discomfort on the skin, okay? It's very important. It's made about coconut, vegetable oil, sesame oil, grape oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower, and olive oil. So it's an amazing vegetable oil that you can use it to dilute or to do a simple massage also, okay? So I will give you some more information how you can learn it, okay? How I teach the people, okay? And I will give you some pictures just to show you where and how I teach this raindrop technique here all over the Europe, okay? So we can teach them in all countries in Europe. So first of all, we have to prepare a room, okay? When you do the raindrop technique, we prepare the room to create a relaxing room with a good temperature, comfortable temperature, okay? That means lighting, no noises, okay? A beautiful table, okay? With a sheet, and we have to put the raindrop oils near you because you need to be close your essential oils to work, okay? And as I say to you, you have to offer and a glass of water and essential oils inside, 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of orange inside. Okay, it's very important to offer this to your patient, if your recipient, if needed. Okay, so and then you have to prepare also yourself. Okay, it's very important to give a raindrop technique with a positive mind. Okay, because if you start to give to your recipient a raindrop technique and thinking about your husband or wife, okay, and the children and all your problems and the factor you have to pay, you know, what kind of massage are you giving to your patient? Okay, so You have to forget everything when you are doing the raindrop technique, because you have to be in contact with your recipient and to give all the positive energy. And he has to feel that you are giving a relaxing technique to him, okay, or to her. So it's very important, okay? And very important to know, because in all the courses I do, there is a lot of women with beautiful nails, beautiful and female nails, but it's not good at all. You have your nails, they have to be trimmed, okay, and very clean, okay, and free from polish. It's very important, okay, to make a very good massage, okay. So then, first of all, the recipient is laying on the back. So we use the essential oils in this order, okay? So first, value 2, oregano, thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, aroma CS, and at the end, I told you that we use peppermint, because peppermint push the other essential oils more deep into your body, okay? So, and this is very important. We have to check all the time for skin discomfort, because we put the essential oil pure into the skin, okay? And if you feel it, if the patient feel it, then you take V6, you put a few drops there, in a few seconds, the discomfort disappear, okay? But you have to take care about that. Very important. So now a few pictures. As you can see, first of all, we are working on the feet, okay? And with value 2, we are balancing the body in this position, okay? I will show you just a few one, you know, because it takes too much time. If I have to explain just let you know that raindrop technique is it's an amazing technique. And if you need more information, you will see me in the future courses, okay? So look at this. First, we are working on the zone, on the reflex zone of the spine, okay? From the heel to the big toe, okay? We are working there. Every essential oil we are putting first on the feet, okay? And then we start to make the feathering sequences, okay? You remember I told you effleurage, c'est le nom en français. Effleurage, it means feathering, okay? And we do it with all the essential oil, okay? With all the essential oil. So then we have fanning sequences, okay? Also techniques. And then we have all kind of technique. With each essential oil, we have a new technique that we use it, okay? So you can see here many techniques. So I go fast because it's not important you to know now the technique, just important you to know that it's very funny, it's relaxing, you can enjoy it when you do it. You don't feel tired after doing, because you don't use strength to do that, okay? It's very important. And we finish with the occiput pull, okay? And when the patient is in this position, at the end, we put some essential oil of Angelica, and we make the patient breathe 4 times, and then we put under the neck and under the shoulders, okay? So now I have to say thank you and enjoy it when you do it then, okay? So I will put this here, then you can see again the picture. This is the technique of the feathering technique, okay? So just tell you that it's an amazing technique. Everybody can learn it. You don't have to be doctor or therapist or anything. Everybody can learn it. It's very easy to do it, and very easy to apply, okay? So I invite you to ask to the people who invite you to this webinar for the next dates. So we are waiting that we have the open doors to start to fly in all Europe, and then I'm very sure that soon we will organize some courses in Europe. Then we'll let you know that. Okay. So I will close the record. Thank you to be here again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this information. Share with all the people you know, all the people you love. It's an amazing thing. Remember, Gary Young says, one people in all families in the world have to learn this raindrop technique, because with this technique we can help thousands of people. We can help thousands of people. So I enjoy it. I invite you to enjoy it first, to receive, and then you can experiment, okay, yourself, and you will see. When you start to do it, you will never stop it to do. So thank you again, and see you to the next webinar.